What's up, guys? Welcome back to Skinny Pedal Motorsports. Welcome back to the channel. As you know, coronavirus has kind of impacted a lot of things, and it impacted my content for this week. So I had to rearrange my plans, and I'm gonna bring y'all something that I kind of been wanting to do for a while as well. Kind of want to know what my car weighs since I've LS swapped it. I kind of know what it weighs before that, but I want to take it up to a local scale where you don't even have to get out of the car. You know, you just run up on it. They'll tell you what it weighs and you can leave. So I'll do my social distancing you're supposed to be doing this week. And yeah, we'll see how much this thing weighs. I think it's going to weigh about 3,500 pounds with me in it. And I weigh about I weigh 3,250. No, I weigh 230. So yeah, it should weigh about somewhere in the 3,200 pound range. A little bit more, maybe a little bit less. Who knows? We'll see. Anyways, we're going to hop in the car and get on the road. So we're pulling up here at the recycling yard over here, and we're gonna pull across the scales and see how much she weighs. Hopefully she ain't thick with 3 C's, but we're gonna find out. I figure she's about 3,500 with me in it. But yeah, post your comments down below on what you think she weighs. Well, she's a heavy girl. 3860 or 3880. This thing weighs, I think it's gonna weigh about 3,500 pounds with me in it. So it weighs 3860. That's a little heavier than I thought it would be. I thought it'd be maybe around the 3,600 pound range, maybe 35 with me in it. But I also got a trunk kit in the back. I do have bench seats. There's some weight I can pull out of here, and I probably will at some point. I'm just waiting to do a couple other things before I dive into that. But yeah, that's what she weighs. We can get back to the house and I'll kind of talk about what each individual piece I think weighs and compare it to other cars that I've seen weighed. So yeah, we'll get back on the road. Alright, welcome back to the garage. Y'all saw what she weighed, 3860. That's a big girl. You know, I still got a steel bumper on the front. The engine itself weighs 500 and some change, a lot more than the V6 did. The 408E weighs about 260 wet with fluid in the converter. That's a lot more than the TH250 or 300, whatever was in this thing, a 3-speed. The 4.9-inch weighs about 30 or 40 more pounds than the 7.5 that was in the rear. I also still got not bucket seats, I got bench seats. Those weigh a pretty good bit. I'm fixing to put some buckets in it. There's a lot of things I could really shave the weight off of, and I do plan on doing that, but I also plan on having about 750, 800 horsepower, so I'll still be able to achieve my goal of a 9-second street car even if I don't shave much weight off of it. So I'll be happy with that. I just want to say thank you. I'm just going to cut this in, but I got 526 subscribers. Thank y'all very much for watching, and I'm really honestly like shocked. Like, I didn't think 526 people would want to watch me build, you know, an 80s car. It's just crazy. But yeah, we'll get back to the video. If you like this content, comment down below. Let me know what your car weighs. Let's compare it to this LS Swap G body. Hit the subscribe button too. Turn on your notification bell if you enjoyed this. But if you've been watching for a while, you know the message. If you ain't on the brake, better be on the skinny pedal, son. We out of here.